how to add an item. So you're going to go to Options, Administrative, Inventory Maintenance, and then you're going to do Add Item. You're going to select Standard Item. You're going to select which department, and then you're going to scan the item. If the item doesn't have a barcode, you could enter any number in here and a description of the item. And then you're going to put the price you charge. You could also put in your cost up here where it says average cost. And you're going to select the tax. You could select multiple taxes if needed and how many you have in stock. And then there's some other options that you could select from, but we're going to also select food stampable. And then you're going to click save.